Hey, what's up everyone? Mahesh here, hoping you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you're probably exploring ShareASale and wondering if it's a viable way for you to start earning income online through affiliate marketing. Today, I'll provide a comprehensive review of ShareASale, covering its legitimacy, affiliate programs, and how you can potentially make money. But before we dive in, if you are interested in my own method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, check the link in the description for a free training. Just imagine, guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can create systems, who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Just imagine. And guys, if you stick to this video till the end, I'm going to give you a mind-boggling bonus. I have my own product in the marketplace right now, which I'm selling for just $37. So if you stick to this video till the end, I'm going to give away that exact bonus. And people are earning around $100 to $200 per day very easily just by promoting that product. So stick to this video till the end and grab that bonus. So one more thing, guys, I have reviewed numerous ways to make money online, including various affiliate networks, courses, and websites. But today we are focusing on ShareASale, a well-established affiliate marketing network that has been around for quite some time. ShareASale boasts an impressive track record, generating over 200 million plus in annual sales and partnering with approximately 225,000 brands. As an affiliate marketer, you can sign up for free on ShareASale, gaining access to a vast array of merchants. These merchants ranging from big corporates to smaller businesses. They have created affiliate programs through ShareASale. This allows you as a marketer to promote their products and earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Now, let's walk through the process of setting up your ShareASale account. After signing up as an affiliate, you can explore the platform and access various merchants. ShareASale collaborates with a diverse range of brands, with affiliate earnings almost $1 billion collectively last year. The platform attracts around 260 new affiliates daily. ShareASale provides access to 39 different categories, allowing you to choose products based on your niche and audience. Whether you are an influencer in tech, fashion, or any other domain, ShareASale offers a wide range of categories to explore, and they claim to have between 15,000 and 25,000 brands in their network. Now let's discuss one crucial aspect: affiliate commissions. ShareASale accommodates both large and small brands, resulting in a wide range of commission rates. Commissions can vary from as low as 1% to 100%, depending on the product and the brand or the service you choose. Physical products like gadgets or clothing tends to have lower commissions, often below 10%. And I'll showcase a few examples within the health category. For example, say Salt and Stone offers a 10% commission rate, which means you earn $10 for every $100 sale. Got it? However, many programs on ShareASale offers commission under 10%, which might be considered relatively low in the affiliate marketing industry. So moving on to another category, home and garden, we'll look at Xchair. Despite higher price points, Xchair's commissions rate is around 6%, highlighting that even premium products may not necessarily result in higher commissions. Lastly, let's explore the insurance category with Brightco. Here it's a different model, $10 per qualified lead for an insurance application completion. This type of cost per acquisition offers requires you to drive targeted leads interested in insurance, showcasing the diversity of commission structures on ShareASale. So if you decide to go with ShareASale, payouts occur on the 1st and 15th of every month following the refund period. They offer payments through bank transfer or Pioneer, a reputable alternative to PayPal for international users. So to sum up, ShareASale is undeniably a reputable affiliate marketing network, providing access to a vast array of brands and products. However, the major drawback lies in the relatively low commission rates for many programs, often below 10%. So this can pose a challenge, especially for beginners or those looking for higher earning potentials. While ShareASale offers a robust platform, the lack of comprehensive training on affiliate marketing strategies is a common issue with many affiliate networks. This means that if you are new to affiliate marketing, you might struggle to effectively promote products and generate sustainable income. If you are a beginner seeking guidance on building a profitable affiliate marketing business, consider exploring other networks that offer higher commission rates like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore24. They may provide better opportunities for maximizing your earnings. So ShareASale remains a valuable database for affiliate programs, but its success largely depends on your niche, audience, and marketing expertise. If you're looking for a step-by-step guidance and a proven strategy to go from zero to making over $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, check out the link in the description for my free training. And as a bonus, I'm giving away my exact program called Stasho Method, where I teach people how to start a supplement business through online. And you can exactly come across with the program, and if you're from anywhere all across the world, then you can grab it for just $1. And if you're from India, then you can get this for 11 rupees. Normally I'm selling this for $37 in the marketplace all across the world, but if you're watching this video, grab this bonus and you'll learn a lot. My own strategies I've shared over there, so it's very worthful if you, in case you would like to get this product for yourself. And I hope you found this ShareASale review insightful. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires not just a network but also effective marketing strategies. Feel free to explore ShareASale and other platforms, and I wish you the best on your affiliate marketing journey. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll reply you back. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video review. Have a great day. Bye bye.